Hi, I'm Mike Richardson with Jessup Manufacturing. I'm highlighting our Clearwalk Armor Lam 23 and Armor Lam 5. Now our two laminates, Armor Lam 23 is the heaviest, toughest laminate on the market today. Great for warehouse floor graphics. Armor Lam 5 is a polypropylene 100% PVC free film for those who want to be PVC free. And our Clearwalk is a one-step clear vinyl for floor graphics. So be sure and read below all the information about these three great products. Now let's get to cooking. What's Mike cooking today? Well, on the theme of clear, I'm cooking ice, or I'm making ice, and clear ice at that. You ever wonder how they make clear ice? How does ice become clear for a nice drinking glass or a nice drink in a glass? Well, what you have to do is freeze the ice in a certain way so that all the impurities fall to the bottom. And this is how we're going to do it. I'm going to take a hard-sided ice chest like this. I'm going to remove the lid and put this off to the side. I've already filled this up with just regular tap water to about 2 inches from the top, and I've cleared a space out in my freezer. So I'm going to open up my freezer. Going to place this in the freezer for 24 hours. Here we go. Leave that there for exactly 24 hours. We'll come back and take it out. I'll show you what it looks like and the best way to carve it up. Be right back. All right, we're back. It's been 24 hours since I put the ice chest in the freezer. So let's take a look and see how it's come out. All right, here we go. I'm gonna bring it over here to the sink. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use this towel because this thing hasn't frozen all the way. Just the top layer of it has frozen. So what I have to do is loosen it up around the edges, flip it over, and then allow the water to drain out. So let me work on that and we'll be back to you in just a second. All right, so we want to loosen up the ice. So what I'm going to use is a spatula. I'm just going to go around the edges and to loosen up the frozen top layer of ice so I can flip it over and then let the water out that hasn't frozen yet. Remember, we did it this way so that all the impurities will stay to the bottom and give us that clear ice we're looking for. That just about does it. Let me see what happens when I turn this over. There we go. And all the water to pour out. As you can see, and knock this off. We have a nice sheet of clear ice. Now, how do we cut this into cubes? So what you're going to want to use is a serrated knife and a kitchen hammer. Start off by deciding how thick you want your ice cubes. Give it a little bit of a sawing motion all the way across. Then once you got it just a little bit into it, you take your hammer and see, you can make your cubes from there. I'll continue to cut this block of ice how thick I want it and then make them into cubes like this. And it makes the perfect clear ice. I'll use a gallon size freezer bag And I'll put all my cubes in here and keep them in the freezer. Alright, just to wrap this on up, we wanted to make clear ice because when you're pouring yourself a nice bourbon over ice, nothing looks better than having a nice glass with a clear ice cube. Tastes so good.